What's the time? Oh, crap! I gotta go! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wait,
One train ride to the office, please.
Okay, let me. Okay, you good. Go.
Oh, it's my stop. The good old office. Hi.
Hey, Terry.
What was that?
Get your hands up, buddy.
Oh, what do you want?
Give me your money. Give me that.
Take
the
it.
money.
Wait.
What the heck?
Wait.
What the?
Oh, whoa. What the heck? Oh, that was probably just a dream. One trip to the... Where is he? Who cares? Hey,
Terry.
hey. Anyways, I'm gonna head out. It's getting kind of late.
Okay. Night, Terry.
Good night. Dang, I still kind of feel bad. Is that a lottery ticket?
Oh gosh, I'm gonna be rich. Please, I need that new car. Please. Yes, I won.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna trade this in for so much money. Wait, what's that noise? Oh wow. Could have been rich. It had to be a dream. Wait. I should get some self-defense. I really don't feel like working today. I'm just gonna tell Terry I'm gonna take the day off. Hey Terry, I'm gonna take the day off.
Okay.
Can you cover for me?
Sure. To be honest, I was just using your computer to watch YouTube videos.
Classic you, then.
Bye.
Ooh, I'm pretty hungry. This place seems good.
Hey, welcome
can I
to
please
the
have
Scoop. What do you want to order today?
Can I please have just one MRE?
One MRE coming up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Does this have peanuts in it?
On my checks, yeah.
I'm allergic. I'm getting tired of these dreams. Terry! I'm so glad to see you.
Yeah, it's me.
Ugh. What
Your
are
life
you doing,
is too
Terry?
boring, too much on repeat. I had to give you a wake-up call.
Hi, Terry. Why do you need to do all of this?
I'm gonna punch you to another galaxy.
Why?
Time zone. This will only be your life from now on.
Please, Terry. You don't
You
need
will
to do this.
stay like this forever.
Stop.
Ever.
Ah!